It can start with a simple mistake, but every second counts when your files are on the line. The most valuable asset of being a content creator is the footage that we record, as it is the basis of our video editing and creating videos. However, no storage device is 100% reliable, and we could encounter the loss of data at any given time or circumstances, like deleting files by accident, or maybe formatting your old hard drive that you thought you already have backed up, or also loss of files caused by damaged SD cards, power interruptions, or even after being hacked. That's why we're going to take a closer look today at Wondershare Recoverit, which is an advanced data recovery software that meets content creators and filmmakers' needs. Because Recoverit does not only restores data on hard drive, but has a strong focus on restoring data from other external drives like SSDs at an incredible rate of 99.5%. So this is Wondershare Recoverit. This is the most advanced data recovery software for Windows and Mac. So Recoverit can help you easily recover files from SD cards and external devices. Recoverit also supports professional data recovery from DJI, GoPro, Canon, and Sony cameras. Using Recoverit, you can scan and recover data from hard drives, USB flash drives, or other external devices. And even this tool can restore your data from system crashed computers by creating a bootable USB drive. So to start using Recoverit, just go to recoverit.wondershare.com, or you can just click on the link from description. And now after that, you can just download and install Recoverit on your computer. If you are a Windows user or a Mac user, you can easily just install Recoverit on your computer. So once you have installed Recoverit on your computer, this is how it will look like. Make sure that you sign up and create your account. It's a very simple and easy process. So once you have signed up and you have opened Recoverit on your computer, this is how it will show all of these different drives of your computer right inside Recoverit. You can see it will detect all of your hard drives and all of your connected devices as well. So if you have any particular hard drive or SD card where you have lost your data, you can just simply connect that with your computer, and now once it is connected, it will start showing on your Recoverit dashboard. And from here, just choose any of the drive from where you want to recover your data. So once you choose a drive and click on scan button, now it will start scanning and it will find all of the deleted files from that particular drive. And once it has finished scanning, it will show all of the deleted files, and then you can just choose any of those files and then simply just click on this recover button. So this is how easy and simple it is to recover data from any of your drives. Now if you had any SD card, you can just go to this SD card recovery section, and from here just make sure that your memory card is connected with your computer, and it will start showing in here. And after that, you can simply just click on scan button and then start recovering your data. You can also repair any of the corrupted or damaged video files. So let's suppose if you faced any incident during your video recording, you can repair videos from widely used cameras like Canon, Sony, DJI, or even GoPro as well. Now there is another amazing feature which is called system crashed computer. You can rescue data from your crashed computer as well. Let's suppose if your computer is not bootable, or maybe it is showing that blue screen or maybe that black screen that actually shows mostly whenever your computer is crashed, you can recover your complete data from any of your crashed computers. And also you can recover your data from your remote NAS servers or even Linux systems as well. You don't need to stop your server. You can recover data in real time without stopping the NAS service. So if you are in a situation where you have just lost your data, or maybe your video files are corrupted, you can use this tool to recover your complete data. If you have any questions, just leave your comments in the comment section. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.